Hidden in the heart of Jiangsu province lies a village where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine. Marlon Samuels lifts the veil on a town that promises unforgettable experiences for travelers around the world.
Yanjiaqiao is a hidden gem in Jiangsu province, once called the Little Wuxi for its vibrant industrial roots and bustling entrepreneurs in the 1930s. But today, it's known as the birthplace of the Siju opera, a treasured art form that has captivated audiences for generations. Visitors can enjoy authentic performances that bring China's rich cultural heritage to life.
So this village has a history of more than 700 years. It is said that during the end of the Yuan dynasty, a person with the family name of Yuan came to this place and he started the construction of the village. That is why this village is called the Yanjiaqiao village. And also this village is famous for its culture as well as its beautiful environment. So Yanjiaqiao village is famous for the production of rice. Rice is the mainstay here. The rice in Yanjiaqiao is very famous, and we even provided rice for the meals on the airplanes. Besides, we also have a very professional process from the seed selection as well as cultivation and the harvest.
Today, Yanjiaqiao is a thriving countryside destination. Imagine staying in cozy homestays, strolling through fragrant tea gardens, and marveling at breathtaking flower seas, especially during autumn's vibrant colors during China's Golden Week holiday. Whether you seek tranquility, cultural discovery, or authentic rural life, Yanjiaqiao welcomes travelers from across the globe, including Jamaica. It's the perfect place to experience China's natural beauty, warm hospitality, and timeless traditions.
So you are very welcome to live and work in this village. Actually, historically, lots of people from other places, they would come to live in Yanjiaqiao village. So all the tourists from around the world as well as citizens are very welcome to live, travel, and work here.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels in Yanjiaqiao, China.